Let's crack a lacking, fellers. Feller Rich. If there's any out there watching, that is Feller Rich. Where to start? What the hell did I get? I got a few things in, last of the last of the last. First, I got another bottle of this Citadel glue in. Bought from a guy off eBay. Let's make his name out there now. Janice Drake out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, this was the bottle. Come in, had about that much glue in it. Well, I sent pictures to eBay and sent them a remark or whatever. And then I got a hold of this guy, I guess it's him. Told him about it, sent him pictures, and I ain't heard back from him. Oh, we sell new stuff. We don't have. Well, it didn't leak out in here. You know, otherwise there'd be a big old stain in there. You know. Some people use. I don't say some you gotta look out for, but hey, you can't tell nothing about anybody that way. You gonna sell shit on eBay, y'all do people right. You know, don't stick one in and break it off. I don't know. See, I told him. I showed him the bottle, held it up there where he could see it in the light. You can see you want about that much glue in there. I said, you know. Showed him the inside of the box. Didn't leak out in there. I got it. That's the way I got it. And I think y'all make it right. And then what else did I get here? I got. Oh. Got my wheels for my rat rods. That's from fella there. I got stuff from him before, Brandon White, out of like Muncie, Indiana. Yeah, they look about what I wanted. 16-inch, you know, what I wanted, something like that. 1 ton dually size. And I got Iceman. I didn't realize him until after ordered it. I got this through eBay. That top axle there. This bottom one with the holes in it. Come with these, which come from this guy here, or girl, guy, whatever, off eBay. Jody Lee Mickelson, out of New York, Atlanta, New York. That's pretty cool stuff. You got two. I got two. I got 2 sprues, I guess, resin, but you got 2 axles each on each one. So that's the front axle. There's the axles themselves. You got 2 different sets of brake drums. I only have one front spring. Got all the knuckles formed, and only one set of the wishbone. Pretty nice, pretty detailed. The only thing I had anything to complain about was that damn glue, that guy. Iceman, you know, probably already know his stuff. He's always got good stuff. But got them for it rat rod, but I just really wasn't wide enough what I was looking for, so I used the front axle off big rig. Uh-oh. I wanted something a little wider. I wanted like a 1 ton, dolly, 1.5 tons rear end. And all the big rigs is too big. This come out of it. I don't know. It's one of those kits I had. Parts left in one of my semi truck boxes, and 2-speed rear end splitter, whatever the hell you want to call it, but it's about the right size. I need another one of those, dude, for that dirty dozen. This is a little yard rat. Man, I had hell of a time. I got this back. This is a sprue. Big old piece. I had it hanging on the wall over there for a long time because, you know, the way this thing was made, that's what I thought I was going to use it for, that's why I hung on to it. But I don't remember what it come out of. But whatever this shit's made out of, ain't nothing to stick to it. I don't know, it looks polystyrene or whatever the hell. But I tried. I got, I don't know, 3 or 4 different brands of super glue, gel, and the regular stuff, and even this Flex super glue, and it stick long enough to drive it. As soon as you pick it up, start trying to sand on it, and just snap. Break right there where you glued it together. Ain't it. You see where and then I tried steel stick, which I thought, well, I got how to do it. I glued the bracket on the stair banister there. It's still holding. When it dries, it's just like steel. But as soon as I start sanding on it, snap. Didn't take much either. I don't know. So I tried the JB Weld. It's doing good until I was sanding on it a long time, and down so far in it. So then I tried my Magic Sculpt. I didn't even want to stick to that. Didn't even want to stick to it. I don't know. Only other thing I could think of was, you know, try my. Figure, well, hell, maybe it'll melt enough to glue it to the. It held it. I mean, this back part. Cause this was the frame for this truck. It's a 56 Ford or whatever the hell. I just used that much of the frame. I was gonna use this whole thing. This was going to be my front piece. This up here, I ended up cutting the frame on that Ford truck, and it was a good frame. Cut just enough to go underneath that cab floor. And I got it glued, the back part. I glued it to the piece of that frame from that yellow truck. Well, I strengthened it up, put some flat stock. Cut my son so long, glued over top of that. Actually, it's doubled up right there. So, I don't know, you see, but it's doubled up right here. One layer on top of another. And that's over top of this and the yellow frame. So I was going to use that and put it on the front of there, but it didn't want to work. And I let it sit. All that, the JB Weld steel stick, magic scope, well, mainly the steel stick and the JB Weld, after I put it on there, mixed it up the way I want it, and it's the way I've always done it. And this stuff here, you just cut what you want off of the roll, and you gotta knead it up for a while. And I don't know. Wouldn't work, but so far, knock on wood. Call it glue, but it's solvent's all it is. This and that other shit. So I found a couple more screws that had that angle that I wanted. I was going to take me some regular tube or straight sprue, bend it the way I wanted, but I couldn't get them both just right. I wanted one to match the other one. Just tried doing them both together, but I found a couple sprues that had that bend that I wanted. So I just cut it off where I wanted it and done the same here as I did on this back piece. So far it's holding. I don't know. I don't know what this shit's made out of. I can't remember what it come out of. Some kit. You look in the middle of it. Well, I mean, you'd have to look up close, but it kind of got a different look than regular, polystyrene or whatever the hell that stuff is in a regular model kit. It's white looking, but it's kind of translucent, kind of, I don't know. Just about right. That's why I held on to this, because that's what I was going to use it for. This got the right. I might be able to use this maybe on that Dirty Dozen on the back, now that I know what to do. But it's coming along. I've been fooling with this shit the last 4 or 5 days. Mainly the JB Weld and this steel stick, because after I apply it on there where I wanted it, I let it sit a good 2 days, hoping it cure good, and then I can fool with it. Nope. But we getting it. This mud, the rear end and the front end, all this shit is what I just done today. Got a small block forward. I think about putting in that, but think I just used a small block of Chevrolet. That's what old Brent's got in his, so it ain't gonna be exactly like his, the one he built, the real thing, but it'd be close. What else we got? Killing time, 15 minutes. Jeez. I watched old Dan DeMann's video yesterday, I guess. Yeah, it was yesterday. I was doing that appreciation bill for Daddy Frank. Frank Frizzo. I said, hell, well, I got to do something for Daddy Frank. So I couldn't make up my mind what to do for him. He could do anything. He likes about anything. As far as I know, he does. So I think I'm gonna do that right there. And having an inkling to do one of them new Chargers anyway, so that'd be alright. What the hell else was it? I got them pieces out for this plane. That's something else. I got to get better on that too. But I've just been having my mind on this little yard rat, that yellow truck. But I need to get on that. Get it knocked down out of the way. Ain't done much to it. Got the pieces all washed on a tray, ready to go. That's about all I've got done on it. Yeah. Dan DeMann, that's what I'm doing for Frank Frizzo. Got to do something for him. You know, Frank's a good dude. I guess that's it. Probably not, but I done forgot half of what I want to say. Got to see my newest granddaughter earlier today, and my daughter Taylor video called me, or whatever the hell you call it. He was asleep, then got his belly full and sacked out. Ain't no bigger than a popcorn fart. Probably a handful. Literally. I like to be there when her big sister Stella gets to see her up close for the first time. She ain't seen her up close yet. Just on video call or whatever. I'd like to be a fly on the wall there. But this thing's got over 150 parts in it. A lot of good stuff. I got that other Charger. I think they're both 2006. That other one, I may try to get me a Dodge Daytona, the cone front end and then the big wing. I'm gonna try to mate it on to that 2006 Charger. I seen one in the book had that on there. I think it was in the book, or maybe it's on a YouTube video. A real car somebody made. Anyway. That's it. Alright, y'all. Oh, I know what I was forgetting. I damn near forget something. I went to Walmart. Hell, I don't know. It's 4 or 5 days ago or something. Big lead slid Merc, which is pretty cool. Big 41 Plymouth coupe. Hurry up and do this. And a big 75 Chevy van. Gave a girl ride in the wagon. And a big 60? Yeah, Elky. Yeah, man. Same age as me. And then the Corvair ramp side. It's one of them new movable parts. And ramps, I think, both come down, and then the passenger side door, I think, opens. Driver's door don't. That's alright. I've seen one of them. Somebody in a video found one of those from their Walmart, I think. I just happened to be going down the line checking out, because they had a lot of new die cast hanging up. And I just happened to run across that. The only one they had. That's mine. Alright, cat shit, y'all. Love y'all, bye.